You will find that a lot of students actually get inside the best colleges of the country, but the real problem is not the best college. The real problem is they wanted to go in some other field and they landed up in some other field. So many times students do not map their goals with the colleges they are getting inside. For example, someone who is interested in communications and advertising gets inside a finance college. It is going to be a complete stop on the career. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the top 50 MBA colleges by career goal. So 6 career tracks, 50 colleges, 1 clear decision. Stick till the end and subscribe to SuperGrads CAT. So the first step should be knowing your goal, guys. So that you do not land up in a college that is actually not fit for your passion, guys. So are you aiming for investment banking, consulting, marketing, tech, BFSI, HR, ops? Because these are the recruiters that are going to come to the college and that has become the trend over there. And because of these particular things, that particular college is known. Then find your track. So each slide now covers the career track which best fits the college and their placement specializations. Then note highlighted colleges over there and then target smartly. It's a real golden video for you all, guys. Save it, share with your friends, keep it with you forever. Okay, let's talk about consulting first because it's a dream of many. So these are the colleges, they have the golden recruiters when you talk about consulting. I am Ahmedabad, pure consulting. I am Bangalore, finance and consulting. I am Calcutta, consulting and finance again. Then ISB Hyderabad, once again consulting and finance. I am Lucknow, consulting, marketing, ops, known for all three. I am Kozhikode, consulting and finance. SPJIMR, consulting, then PM, product management and FMCG. Then MDI Gurgaon, consulting, finance, marketing. XLR Jamshedpur, consulting, product management and HR. Then I am Indore, consulting and general management, right? So these are the core areas where you can get a job, right? So these are the colleges you must target if you are considering consulting as your core focus after the college completion. Then finance, very looked up to option. In fact, very high paying option in today's time. But which are the colleges in India that are offering that kind of profile to you right now? JBIMS Mumbai, that is why it is called the CEO factory of the country, right? IIM Calcutta, consulting in finance. And that is why Joka and one of the best finance colleges considered across the country. Then IIM Kozhikode, already mentioned in previous slide, consulting plus finance. IIT Delhi, trade plus finance, fantastic option. IIM Shillong, consulting, finance, marketing, one of the very well-known name in India. MDI Gurgaon, once again for the same parameters, consulting, finance and marketing. Then SHMRD, HR, finance and marketing. So it is making its niche over there. DFS, Delhi, right? Finance pure. DSC, finance and consulting. IIM Ranchi, known for HR but also finance and sales. Let me tell you that. Then XIMB, finance and consulting. NIBM, BFSI or finance are the core options over there. Okay, marketing and branding. There are some colleges known specifically for marketing and branding. FMS Delhi being #1 in the country, guys. MICA Ahmedabad, as I was already discussing when we initiated the conversation today. Then IIM Shillong, consulting, finance and marketing. MDI Gurgaon, NMIMS Mumbai. IMT Ghaziabad, some prime names. Bitsom Mumbai, coming out as a new leader over there, particularly in Genban and marketing and sales. SHMRD, finance, HR. Okay, Jim Goa, guys, Jim Goa also consulting, BFSI and marketing. IIM Delhi, IIM Udaipur, IIM Nagpur are the names if you want to get inside marketing and branding. Tech and analysis, very few colleges. IIT Bombay, Delhi, in fact all the IITs over there. IIT VG Som Kharagpur, ISC Bangalore, a fantastic name, often ignored because of fewer number of seats. IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee, IIT Kanpur, TB Delhi, IIM Kashipur, IIM Amritsar, IIM Jammu, IIM Vizag are some very popular names if you want to target tech and analysis. In fact, very futuristic courses in India. Sales and BFSI. So, many people do not go planning sales in mind, but there are people who are very good at conversions. And NMIMS, SIBM Pune, IIM Udaipur, are some looked up to names over there, particularly in BFSI segment, right? I'm Trichy, I'm Rajpur, I'm Raipur, I'm Rohtak, Kashipur, Nagpur, Sambalpur, Bodh Gaya, Sirmaur, and NIBM are also very well known names. Okay, NIBM is the college of RBI of the country, right? Then HR option niche, एक्सेलरा जमशेदपुर, अनडाउटेडली ये नाम आपने हमेशा सुना होगा कि एक्सेलरा है, टिस मुंबई है, बट यस अदर नेम्स, लेट्स लुक इनटू देम आल्सो. आई एम मुंबई, very well known over there in ops, in particularly in ops. IRMA Anand for rural and agri management, IFT Delhi for trade and international business, SP Jain once again consulting plus PM plus FMCG, SIBM BFSI marketing plus HR. I am Ranchi, very well known name in HR, sales plus finance as well. SCHMRD, already a very well known name in HR but finance and marketing as well. I am Indore, consulting and Genman, Bitsom and MDI Gurgaon. So before we proceed, CAT DIY kit is ready. Maximize your result in minimum time, the subjects you want to study at your choice. Most affordable CAT and OMIT self-prep. Yes guys, CAT and OMIT lectures included live doubt solving, personalized. I am mentor for everyone. GDPI prep plus test series priced below 15,000. So completely up to you which subject you want to study, which you want to ignore, who is the faculty you want to get trained with. इससे अच्छा बैच कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. Link given in description section as well as in the first comment. Go and check the free demo classes, free test right now, and understand whether we actually stand right for your preparations or not, right? Now let's look into where you should apply. So if you want to go for consulting, these are the IIMs. Just take the screenshot, guys. ABC, ISB, IIM Lucknow, Kozhikode, SP Jain, and MDI. Want finance? Certainly. JBIMS, Calcutta, Kozhikode, IFT, DSC, DFS. Want marketing? FMS, MICA, Shillong, I'm Shillong, MDI, and NMIMS. Want tech and product management? IITs, particularly, Bombay, Delhi, then ISC, and IIM Mumbai, right? Want BFSI or sales? Go ahead with NMIMS, SIBM, and newer IIMs already mentioned. Want HR or ops? XLRI, TIS, Mumbai, IRMA, and SHMRD. So these are the names. So just ensure that, these are the key takeaways. You can take the screenshot. I would always emphasize that, if you are looking to the future right now, at this stage of time, certainly you're planning better. Okay, and this video may help you to plan better for your life. If you like this particular video, subscribe SuperGrads YouTube channel. Check us also on Instagram, Telegram, and WhatsApp community. We are providing some fantastic content over there, completely free of cost. You may be missing it. Thank you. I'm Rahul Vaswani, now signing off from this particular video. We'll be coming up with something fruitful in days to come. Suggest some videos to me in the comment section as well. Thank you. Thanks a lot.